What to do if the Microsoft Store shows this error when downloading programs or updating programs 0x80248014? This is usually due to the fact that Microsoft Store cannot download anything from its servers, and the same error occurs in the Windows Update Center. Also, the Windows Update Center cannot download the database for updates, and no updates are downloaded either. This video will help to solve this and other similar errors with updates. What to do? This error is usually associated with interference in the system. Perhaps some additional programs or unlicensed games blocked updates. I want to show you the easiest way to solve this problem. Download this bat file to reset the update center using the link in description. Windows bat file is a set of commands for the command prompt. In this situation, you need to use a lot of commands, and it is much more convenient to use this bat file than to enter everything manually. These commands will reset services associated with Windows updates. This is the beat service, WUAU-serve, AppID service, and the crypt service. Also, the following commands clear the entire cache and all update center logs. Reset Windows update policies. These commands configure the correct rights or permissions for the beat service and update center service. Sets the auto start of the services. Services restart. After that, a message will display to reboot. And you should do this. Thus, by running this script, you run it automatically as an administrator, and the commands are executed one by one. Also, at the beginning, it may need to confirm the start of these commands by entering the Y symbol, that is yes, and pressing enter. At the end, also press any key and the computer will reboot. After starting of the Windows, everything should start working. My program PC No Problems has a section related to disabling or conversely restoring Windows updates. By pressing the button Reset Windows Update, that bat file will also be downloaded and launched. Try my program, link to the site in description. Do not forget to like and write a comment, and also subscribe to the PC No Problems channel.